Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here and you're gonna learn about on this lecture Reflect.construct method. So what it does is that it is a reflect method which has a acts like a new operator but as well as a function. So it is equivalent to a new target. So let me show you. So what we're gonna do is first create a function and name it as function 1 and we will pass 3 arguments inside it, a, b, c. And now what we're gonna do is this dot sum equals a plus b plus c. And now what we're gonna do is const and use const and use args equals and 1, 2, 3. And when we do that, we will create another const object, name it as object 1 equals, use the new operator and use the function 1 method, and inside it we will use the spread operator and type args. When we're done with that, we will go and create another const and name it as object 2 and use the reflector method reflect dot use construct and we'll pass function 1. First we're gonna do is pass function 1, and second we're gonna do is use an arg as an argument. When we're done with that, now what we need to do is log it on a console. So object dot sum object 2 dot sum, it will show the sum of this, and we will also see, log it on a console, is object 1 dot sum. So both should be 6. Let me see. Yeah, it's 6. So that's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.